Welcome to OB Attendant. Main menu. Press 1 to continue this call. Press 2 to make a new call. Press 3 to enter a callback number.
This is a demonstration of an OB call using OB Talk dialing from my soft phone number to my OB200 analog telephone adapter number. Thank you.